Saintgits College of Engineering presents Home Magic 2020. Daily, we are coming across articles like this. Why does this happen? More than half of the fruits and vegetables are lost due to the lack of proper knowledge in handling, storage, and processing. Value addition coupled with proper preservation methods has enormous potential in solving this surplus production related wastage. Let's do a simple preservation technique at home. The materials required are sugar, pineapple, and a glass jar. Initially, wash, peel, and cut the pineapple into small pieces. Add a layer of sugar into the bottle. After that, put a layer of pineapple slices over it. Again put a layer of sugar and repeat until the bottle is full. Now your bottle is ready. Let's keep this for 5 days. Ensure that the top portion is covered with sugar. On day 1, separate the pineapple pieces from the bottle. Transfer the remaining liquid along with sugar into a pan. Boil the mixture until the sugar dissolves. Allow the liquid to cool. Transfer the liquid into a bottle and put the pineapple pieces again. Cover the top portion with a teaspoon of sugar. Close the bottle. Repeat the process for the next 4 days. On day 4, add a pinch of citric acid or lemon juice to the syrup before boiling. On day 5, you can take the pineapple pieces out and dip in hot water for a second. Now, the pineapple preserve is ready for consumption. This technique can enhance the shelf life up to 6 months under refrigerated conditions without the addition of any preservatives. This can be consumed as such or can be further dried and used as candy or in payasam, ice cream, fruit salad, cakes, etc. Compared to the normal candies, the preserve is rich in micronutrients and fiber. Preservation is achieved by osmotic dehydration. Water is transferred from pineapple to the surrounding highly concentrated sugar solution by virtue of difference in osmotic pressure. By reducing the water activity of food matrix, microbial growth is inhibited. Reducing losses is a key to sustainability and food security. We need more food technologists to feed the world today and tomorrow. Thank you for watching.